And he takes off, blazing speed past the defenders. He's heading straight for the goal. He takes the...
Oh my God, viewers, look at this result. This is absolutely amazing. I created this entire niche in just one click using a 100% free AI tool. Take a look at this niche. It is incredibly engaging, visually stunning, and has huge viral potential. The best part is that this is a completely new niche that I am bringing to you, and I am sure you are going to love it. So without wasting any time, let us jump right in. First, I open YouTube and search for the channel Vivid Core AI. This channel is absolutely incredible. It has built a massive audience, and if we look at its most popular shorts, you will notice something amazing. One video has over 23 million views, another has 22 million, another has 18 million. And as I continue scrolling, keep finding more and more videos that have crossed millions of views. This clearly shows that this niche has enormous potential. If we create similar high-quality videos and upload them consistently, there is a very good chance that our own channel can also grow and become monetized. Here is another interesting fact. If you upload this type of content, not only on YouTube, but also on Facebook, Facebook also monetizes this niche. I know many people ask whether YouTube will monetize this kind of content. If you ever have any doubts, you can simply create these videos and upload them to Facebook because Facebook is already monetizing creators making this type of content. Now just take a close look at these videos one by one. Notice how engaging they are. The animations are beautiful. The storytelling is captivating, and the entire niche is created in an eye-catching 3D animated style. Before we start generating anything, I want to show you my master prompt. I already have a professionally prepared master prompt. It is very detailed and includes everything you need: character design, image prompts, video prompts, voiceover, script scene, breakdown, camera angles, visual style animation instructions, and a complete step-by-step workflow. I have combined everything into one complete prompt, so you do not have to do any extra work. You will find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video where you can download it easily. Before using it, I recommend reading it carefully so you understand how powerful and detailed it is. Once you have reviewed it, simply copy the entire master prompt. After copying the prompt, open ChatGPT Paste the complete master prompt into ChatGPT and click Generate. Now, simply wait a few seconds and look at this result. ChatGPT has generated all of the prompts automatically. You can now see every single scene prepared one by one. Everything is organized professionally, including detailed image prompts, scene descriptions, character consistency, camera instructions, and video prompts. Take a moment to carefully review all of these prompts because they are extremely well structured and ready to use. I also recommend saving them in a document file so you can access them anytime while creating your project. Now let us move to the image generation section. For creating images, I simply open Google Flow AI. Personally, I really like this platform because it generates beautiful, high-quality images with excellent character consistency. Now I copy my first image prompt. After copying it, I paste it into the prompt box. Next, I select the Nano Banana 2 model. Then I simply click Generate and wait for a few moments. Oh my God, viewers, look at this first image. This is absolutely incredible. The character design looks fantastic. The colors are vibrant, the lighting is beautiful, the theme perfectly matches our story. The overall quality looks professional, and everything has been generated exactly as we wanted. I am honestly very impressed with the result. Now let us move on to the next prompt and continue generating the remaining images one by one. Once all of our images are ready, we will proceed to the next step, where we will transform these images into smooth cinematic AI videos with professional animation. Alright viewers, here is what we are going to do next. Now I will generate the remaining images from image 2 all the way to image 10. I will simply paste each prompt one by one into the AI image generator. There is nothing complicated here. Just copy each prompt, paste it into the tool, and generate the image. Repeat the same process until all of your images are finished. As you can see, my image generation has already started. Now all you have to do is be patient and wait a few moments while the AI generates every image. Okay viewers, after waiting for a short while. Oh my God, look at all these results. All of my images have now been generated successfully. Just look at these amazing results. Every single image looks absolutely incredible. The character consistency is excellent, the colors are vibrant, the lighting is beautiful, and the overall quality looks highly professional. You can clearly see that every image has been created in a stunning 3D cinematic style, making the entire story look much more engaging and visually appealing. Now, I recommend going through every image one by one. Carefully check each scene and make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. As you can see, every image perfectly follows the prompts and maintains consistent characters throughout the story. The final results are right in front of you, and honestly, they look fantastic. Now simply click download and save all of your generated images to your computer. Once all the images have been downloaded successfully, we are ready to move on to the next step. All right, viewers. Now let us move on to the video generation part. Is that this tool is also 100% free to use. The first thing you need to do is sign in with your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, it is time to start creating our AI videos. First, select the VO3, one light model. After that, the tool interface will open. Now click on Animate an image. Upload your first generated image. Next, choose the portrait 9:16 aspect ratio. Since we are creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Facebook Reels, then enable. Add animation with voiceover. Finally, click the Generate button. Now simply wait for a few moments while the AI processes your video. Okay, viewers, after waiting for a short while. Oh my god, look at this result. My first AI video is now ready. Just look at the quality. The animation is smooth, the character movement looks natural, and the built-in voiceover makes the entire scene feel much more professional. This is an 8-second cinematic video, and honestly, it looks absolutely amazing. Now let us generate the second video. I will upload my second image, paste the corresponding video, prompt, and click Generate once again. After waiting for a few moments, look at this second result. This video also turned out incredibly well. The animation, quality, character, consistency, camera movement, and voiceover are all fantastic. At this point, we have successfully created 2 professional AI videos. Now I will repeat the exact same process for all the remaining images. I will upload each image. One by one, paste its matching prompt and click Generate. As you can see, all of my video generations have now started. Now all you have to do is wait patiently while the AI converts every image into an animated video. All right, viewers, after waiting for a little while. Oh my god, look at these final results. All of my AI videos have now been generated successfully. Every single video looks incredibly engaging, cinematic, and professional. The character consistency is maintained throughout the story. The animations are smooth, the lighting is beautiful, and the overall visual quality is absolutely impressive. You can clearly see the results right in front of you. These videos are exactly the type of content that is currently performing extremely well on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Now that all of our videos are ready, we do not need to move to any other editing software. Everything can be done directly inside the same tool. I will simply select each generated video one by one and add them to the timeline in the correct story sequence. This is the editing section. Here, I will arrange every clip in order until the complete story is finished. Once all the clips have been added, our editing process is complete. Finally, I will click the download button and export the finished video. All right, viewers, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed today's brand new AI niche and learned something valuable. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest AI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.